Boo-boos. Let's put it right here.
I don't want it on me.
Let's put it right here.
Start it over.
No, it didn't even touch
I don't want it on me.
It didn't even, you can't even see.
Patrick, you can too.
It's fine, it's fine.
Why are you putting it down there?
Oh my god, wait.
Why are you putting it down there?
Oh! That's perfect. So we got, what are you doing?
Nothing, why?
It's our little mukbang. I got Nugget and Freezy Fanta fucker. Mom's taking pictures.
Is it a sign?
I think it is. Ew!
I can't tell, my thing is glitching. This is leaving. Do your phone, because mine is all fucking. Fucky.
Oh my god, have you seen my new wallpaper? It's...
Look at the t-shirts we're gonna get.
Oh, here, let me see it.
The t-shirts we're gonna get for the next holiday at the families.
Look at my new wallpaper. It's Shane and Jeffrey. Oh, no, you didn't see it.
I did see it, Pat. They look like two girls.
They are. So anyway, I can't see that shit. It's worse than mine.
Bring it up.
That's fine. We'll just drive over there and see.
I don't want to. You ain't gonna see that from the road. God. Fucking kids. You're disgracing my mom. What? My mom? I don't like the square on top.
I got these at the beach.
They would be cute if they were like round like and kind of like cat looking eyes.
They're not, so.
I know, but wouldn't that be cute? Wouldn't it?
No.
Yes, it would.
Why do I look so fat?
Wouldn't it be cute if those were done in cat eyes?
I don't
Please
know.
leave him a comment and let him know they would be.
I was just gonna say that.
Hot spotters.
What's that?
I got hot spots.
In my ass.
They're firemen.
Where?
They're ground crew. They call them
Where?
hot spot. They already went by.
Oh.
Ground crew they call hot spotters. I got lots of hot spots.
Hot spot in my butthole.
Maybe yours.
So,
Wouldn't want it roto-rooted either.
I don't want to say it, but I want to talk about it right now because I know she's, I don't know if she's watching, but she might be.
Ew. Oh. Oh. Cares. Fucking weirdo.
She's a roto-rooter.
She wished she was rooting.
Rooting through that dick.
She can't even root through her fucking makeup. What are you talking about?
You should've, oh my god, I can't even say it. Here, put this back window up.
I cannot.
Shit. The air conditioning's going right in the microphone.
You're gonna be so hot.
Fine. That's what we do. So this is the nuggets from Taco Bell. Swatch it, queen. Yes. Pigment. And see, this is the
And this is a fry, short and stout. He has a handle.
This is my barbecue sauce. Oh my god, look at all that pigment, that color though, queen.
God. This is what they call a pencil dick.
What do they call this dick? What if a dick looks like that?
God. I'll be thick and chunky.
Dick and chunky.
Short and chunky. Look at Deborah, right?
Yeah.
You know that meme I put up last night? She says, that's what we call a pencil dick, right?
What mean? What mean?
That one, or the guy with the steroid.
Oh, yeah.
And I said, really? Because I thought pencil dick was long and skinny, right? And I said, don't you think they look more like Vienna sausages? And I put that up there.
It did, though.
And I go, remember feeding these to your child? And she's like, oh my god, that is so gross.
That's funny.
Oh, it's hilarious.
It did look like a Vienna sausage, though.
It did.
That's sad. That wasn't real. That was photoshopped.
I don't think so, Pat. I mean, seriously. Seriously, the bigger you get...
Oh my god, don't talk about this, please.
No, I mean, steroid-y, like.
Oh.
Steroids definitely zap your wiener. Your whacker.
We're definitely real.
Your wanker?
We're definitely real ass fook on this channel.
My dingling. You ever heard that song, My Dingling?
Ew, yes. I hate that.
I think it's funny.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Action.
Stop. No, that's gross.
I don't know. It's hot.
Told you it's gonna be hot, man. I'm gonna find that song now. My dingling.
You can YouTube. Do you know how to YouTube?
I've got it here on my buttons. Don't know.
Question of the day. What do you think about these sunglasses? Do you think they're cunty?
What is cunty?
Just like cunty or cunty. In a good way, though. Turn up. Isn't that bougie? Oh, there we go. Turn up.
I don't know what it said.
Pussy.
It keeps changing. It doesn't do the same ones over and over. What the fuck is wrong with this thing?
Oh my god, that's wrong. That sounds like really cool. Do like a funny one. Hurry, I'm gonna end this at, you only have 10 seconds, Mom.
And the Oscar goes to...
My vagina. That was the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, turn on post notifications. See y'all later. Wait, say something. It's not on your face.
Bye!